Ever wondered what to pack for the legendary theme nights on a Carnival cruise? Here's my inside scoop. Carnival Concierge, how can I help? G'day, I'm Jeremy, your Carnival Concierge. Theme nights and events are some of the most fun you'll have on board, but I get asked all the time, what are they? How do I know which ones are on my cruise? And do I really need to dress up? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Our theme nights are full ship events, and while it's optional, trust me, you'll want to join in. Almost everyone gets dressed up. We've even got the 80s rock and glow party, so pack your retro, neon and glow accessories. The silent white party, all white outfits, and we'll even supply the headphones. And of course, elegant evenings, cocktail dresses, sharp suits, the works. Costumes aren't sold on board, so if you want to go all out, best be prepared. Easy. Just head to our FAQ section on help.carnival.com.au and search theme nights. You'll find the full list there. Yep, see, it's all there. On a 3-day cruise, you'll have an 80s rock and glow party and an elegant evening. On a 6 or 7-day cruise, you'll enjoy a second elegant evening and a silent white hot party. And if you're lucky enough to be cruising for 8 days or longer, you'll get the full works. My hot tip, absolutely dress up for elegant nights, the 80s rock and glow, and the silent white hot party. They're the really big ones and the whole ship really gets into it. So pack your outfits, choose fun, and get ready for some of the best nights on your holiday.